Internationalism is a political ideology or principle that emphasizes the cooperation and collaborations among nations. So there were two kinds of internationalism: the liberal internationalism and socialist internationalism. For me, I prefer liberal internationalism because it promotes foreign policy such in free trade, international cooperations, democratic governance, and the promotions of human rights. As we live today, we already experience that all nations are already cooperating and collaborating with each other, not just for the products itself, but also with their cultures, educations, and human rights. Because of this, we are not supporting our local products, but also we are supporting products from different nations. For example, people today tend to buy imported products because they believe it could make them unique and popular, or being classed as people see wearing those products that is imported from other countries. As for human rights, if we see people from different countries before, we seem like we don't respect them. But because of human rights that is imposed today, we already adapting and accepting them for the reason that we are the same as people. We have an individual human rights. That's all.